So we've got some sea bass, yellowtail, squid, scallops, akami, chutoro, and saba. Mackerel. I'll start with the sea bass. I do my sushi a bit smaller than normal. Usually it's about 12 grams, I go for about 10. I think it's just a nicer texture. The other thing is I slice with my fish skin side up because you have all of the beautiful oils in the layer of fish between the skin and the flesh. So when you put that on the board tastes beautiful and the fish loses its flavor. So how do I hold my knife? I hold it like this. So my thumb is on the end of the handle and my hand wraps around the handle, and then my pointer finger, is that an index finger? Yeah, goes along the spine of the knife. This allows you to have the most control about the knife wherever the tip is. We'll do one very traditional. Here we have the shimesawa, marinated mackerel. With the mackerel, you have to take the skin off. With my left hand, I'm trying to hold the fish in place. I'll show you with the last piece as to why. It gives you a nice clean cut. So you can see that the knife pulls the meat if I don't hold it there, and the cut is not quite as nice on that end. I'm going to make some temaki with the offcuts that I've produced, but to try and maximize your yield from the fish, that you can sort of get a nice piece of fish by cutting it along an angle, and then you get a bit more fish for your pound. Yellowtail, running out of space on this plate.